Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Join us as we take on the challenge of mastering resistance band exercises specifically designed to boost strength and mobility for individuals with neurological disabilities. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
Now we're going to do some seated rows with this. So wrap it around your feet. Have your legs pretty much extended. They don't have to be perfectly straight. You probably don't want them perfectly straight. Well, maybe you do. Now reverse that grip. All right, sit up tall, sit up tall, sit up tall. Let the arms stretch. Stretch out. Pull back, squeeze shoulder blades together. You're rowing. So sit up tall, head and chest up. Every time you pull, you push your chest out, squeeze shoulder blades together. Do some more. And like with all these exercises, let the arms stretch always. If it feels loose at the front, like there's no real tension or the band's getting loose, choke up on it some more. And obviously, like most of these, the bands are color-coded for strength. In this series, you've got the yellow, red, and blue. The yellow is the easiest, the red is the intermediate, and the blue is the heaviest. Good, right there. Now we're going to do the same position as the rows. You're going to loop it around your feet. You're going to do bicep curls. So arms stretched out. Look at me. Curl. Sit up tall. Head and chest up. Head and chest up. You have the legs pretty straight, which is great. Let those arms stretch out. There you go. Sit up tall. Head and chest up. As much as possible with any exercise, get that full range of motion. That's good right there. Good. All right, we're going to do shoulder press. So this one, you're sitting under it, right? You got to start right here. So pull it up there. Don't bow the elbows out. They go straight up on this one. Push straight up, straight toward the ceiling. Straight. Yes. There you go. Not bad. Sit up tall, head and chest up, head and chest up. Good, right there. Stop. All right, now we're going to do a chest press. So you can wrap around your waist or your upper back, push straight out, and hands together. Yes. The chest pressing motion. That's good. As always, you could do it seated. Now, angle upward a little bit, like an incline press almost. Not that much, a little less. And you just go by these band series. There's different companies, but they're all color-coded. This is the easiest one in this one, but it's only 3. It's yellow, red intermediate, and blue is the hardest. But as you advance, you just get a heavier one. Usually they come in sets. And this can be done seated, standing. All right, that's good right there. We're going to do tricep extensions. So arms are about 90 degrees. Straighten them out. Just good. Keep going. Not bad. That's good right there. Stop. All right, we're going to do upright rows. So grab it like this over the top so you can pull it up. Don't choke up on it too much because you're going to come kind of high. Look, lead with your elbows up. All right, go. Now look at me. Pull towards your chin. Now you're leading with your hands. Lead with your elbows like this. Don't worry about how high you pull your hands. Worry about how high you put your elbows. Once your elbows go as high as they can, you don't have to pull up any more with your hands. You can, but you don't need to. Higher, higher. Together. See my elbow? Jacked up in the air. Okay, sort of, kind of. That's good.
In summary, resistance band exercises offer a multitude of benefits for individuals with neurological disabilities. Make sure to include these exercises in your fitness routine to enhance your overall well-being. Ready to take on the challenge? Try out the demonstrated resistance band exercises and share your progress in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on adaptive fitness and neurological disabilities. Let's make progress together.